Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you the tools available to efficiently customize the Dialog and Quest Master UI for your project. In this demo project, I'm using the default style that comes with Dialog and Quest Master. We'll quickly go over how you can change fonts and colors. Everything you see in this interface is configurable through a single style asset. This style asset is passed to the Dialog UI widget when it's created. The widget itself is created in the player controller, and here you can see there's a field called Dialog Master UI Configuration. This is where you can change the entire look and feel of the interface by simply switching the configuration asset. Right now, we only have the default configuration, so let's see how to create a custom one. To create your own configuration, go to the content browser and create a new data asset via Miscellaneous Data Asset. Then select Dialog Master UI Configuration. Name it however you like. Once it's created, we'll immediately assign it to the widget so we don't forget. If we test now, nothing changes, and that's expected since we're still using all the default values. If we open the configuration asset, you'll see that you can fine-tune pretty much every aspect of the UI. I'll let you explore everything in detail on your own. For now, I'll show you a few tools that let you quickly edit this asset and iterate fast with your own fonts and colors. If you want more granular control, you can of course tweak each field manually. For example, if you search for font, you'll notice that every element can be configured independently. But there's also a handy tool to change all title fonts at once. To use it, go back to the content browser, right-click your configuration asset, and select Scripted Asset Actions, Fast Modification, Change Titles Font. In the pop-up, you can pick a new font. I downloaded one before recording this, but you can use any font you like. Once you apply it, the font is updated across all titles in the UI, as you can see in the configuration asset. Some fields haven't changed, that's because they're not considered titles. You can still modify those manually if needed. You'll also notice that the configuration references DataTables for RichText styles. You can duplicate these to customize the fonts used in other parts of the UI, like Dialog subtitles, Quest tasks, and Quest descriptions. To duplicate them, use the Browse to Asset button, then drag them into your project's content folder and select Copy here. I'll rename them to avoid confusion with the plugin assets, then assign them in the configuration. Now let's see where we are with the UI customization and test it in-game. As you can see, most of the interface is already updated. Next, let's tweak the colors. There's another tool available when you right-click the configuration asset. Scripted Asset Actions, Fast Modification, Change Menu Background. This lets you quickly change the background color. Let's try a blue background. That's not bad. Now let's use the last tool to change the title color. Scripted Asset Actions, Fast Modification, Change Menu Theme Color. Let's try a dark red. Not great, the contrast is off. Let's switch to a brighter red. That's much better. Now let's see what happens when we start a dialogue and receive a quest. You'll notice that the choice buttons and subtitles haven't been updated yet. That's normal, we haven't customized the DataTables yet.
I'll take a look.
Thank you. Please bring it back if you find it.
We also still need to update the fonts for quest tasks and quest descriptions. So let's move on to the DataTables. We'll start with the one used for quests. For each row in the table, we'll update the font. Let's test that in-game. The quest tasks look good, but the descriptions haven't changed. I probably missed a configuration field. And yes, it's the Quest Details Descriptions Text DT field. Let's assign it properly and test again. That's much better. Now let's handle the dialog data table. Same idea, we update each entry. Let's test again.
Hey, you there.
Subtitles are correctly updated, but the choice entries still haven't changed. Let's check the configuration. It should be something simple.
What did you lose?
In the sentence widget, there's a field called Dialog Sentence Text Font. Let's update that, and now everything should be fully customized. One last test.
Hey, you there. I think I lost something important.
And there we go, everything looks perfect.
What did you lose?
A small package.
As you can see, customizing the dialog and Quest Master UI is both flexible and fast.
Sounds like your
You can either fine-tune every detail manually or rely on the provided tools to iterate quickly and maintain consistency across your interface. With just a few assets and some simple adjustments, you can fully match the UI to your game's visual identity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.